Experiencing channel-changing problems with your Spectrum TV app? You're not alone. Let's break down the most common culprits. First, it often boils down to your remote, physical or virtual. Physical remotes rely on IR or Bluetooth. Make sure batteries are fresh and there's no signal interference. App-based remotes need stable network connectivity and proper device permissions. Second, the Electronic Program Guide, EPG, might be the issue. The EPG updates regularly, but lags can occur due to a corrupted app cache or delays on Spectrum's servers. Finally, the app itself might need a refresh to clear memory leaks or software bugs. Remember these three key elements: remote functionality, guide refresh, and app refresh. Understanding these will help you troubleshoot effectively. Network speed is critical. Aim for at least 25 megabit per sec for HD streaming. Ensure your device meets Spectrum's compatibility requirements: Android 8 Plus, iOS 14 Plus, Roku OS 10 Plus. Ready to fix those channel-changing glitches? Start with the basics. Verify your internet connection. Next, restart the Spectrum TV app and your device. Force closing the app and rebooting often resolve temporary glitches. Clearing the app's cache is another essential step. This clears out potentially corrupted data, causing guide lags. If using a physical remote, ensure it's properly paired via Bluetooth. Check for low batteries or signal interference. If problems persist, check the Spectrum support website or community forums for known outages or service disruptions in your area. If all else fails, contact Spectrum support directly. They've implemented AI-driven diagnostics to assist with common problems. As a last resort, consider using the Spectrum TV app on another device or the web version as a backup. Remember to keep your app updated to the latest version to benefit from bug fixes and performance improvements.